Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working on your Hisense TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to launch YouTube, but for some reason it's not working. How do you actually go ahead about fixing it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the very first thing that you can do is that you could actually unplug your Hisense TV wire from the outlet, leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, and then replug it back in. Check and see if the YouTube app now works. The next thing that you can do is that if you go into quick settings in the upper right hand corner, then go into Wi Fi, just double check and make sure that you're connected to the Wi Fi. Just because sometimes a disconnected Wi Fi might be the reason why your YouTube app isn't working. The other thing that you can do is that if you highlight the YouTube app and then press and hold the OK button, then click on View Details, you could actually go ahead and uninstall and then reinstall the YouTube app and check and see if that works. Now, as a last resort, if you go back into the homepage and then click on Quick Settings and then go into All Settings in the upper right hand corner, then from here, go and scroll all the way down and click on System, then scroll down even further. You could actually go ahead and restart your Hisense TV by clicking on this button here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the YouTube app not working on your Hisense TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.